Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to automate Mailchimp using Pabbly Connect. So if you're looking to save time and streamline your email marketing efforts, this is the perfect solution. Today, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to set up powerful automations that keeps your campaigns running smoothly. You can focus on growing your business, and this can be done very easily by simply setting up a connection between your Mailchimp account and Pabbly Connect. So as you know, Mailchimp is a popular email marketing platform that is designed to help businesses to create, send, and manage email campaigns effortlessly. It offers a range of tools to build and automate email newsletters, manage subscriber lists, and update subscribers, track campaigns performances, and integrate with other marketing platforms. So all these activities which are involved in your email marketing can be done very easily with the help of Mailchimp. And you can even automate this entire process with the help of Pabbly Connect. And you can automate all these activities, all these entire processes by simply setting up a connection between your Mailchimp account and Pabbly Connect. So let's get started quickly. Now, how this is going to help you in your business. So connecting Mailchimp with Pabbly Connect enables businesses to automate and streamline the email marketing workflows, enhancing efficiency and personalization. By integrating Mailchimp with other tools with the help of Pabbly Connect, the businesses can automatically sync subscriber data, trigger targeted email campaigns, send the subscriber data towards other application automatically. You can manage your customers, manage your leads effectively, and the real-time automation reduces manual tasks, ensures up-to-date contact list, and allows personalized communication, ultimately leading to better engagement of customers, higher conversion rates, and improved overall marketing performance. And all this can be done with saving a lot of time as well as your efforts. So now here we are going to learn that how you can automate entire tasks which are involved in Mailchimp with the help of Pabbly Connect. For this, I will show you in this video step by step that how you have to connect your Mailchimp account with Pabbly Connect. So we will move forward quickly. So you can see I'm already logged into my Pabbly Connect account, and over here on my screen here are two windows, trigger and actions. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are basically the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation works. The trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever you're going to select in your trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Let's suppose I'm using Mailchimp as my email marketing platform. So I want that as soon as a person is going to subscribe for the newsletters through my Mailchimp account, as soon as a new subscriber will be added in Mailchimp, then I want to create a record of all these subscribers in my Google Sheets with all the details of the subscribers such as name, email address, phone number, address, and etc. So for that I will have to connect Mailchimp and Google Sheets. So because I want that on the creation of a subscriber, I want to add the details in Google Sheets. So Mailchimp will be my trigger and Google Sheets will be in my action. Then we are going to set up the connection between these two applications. We can clearly see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands, because when the subscriber is added, then only the details will be recorded in Google Sheets, otherwise not. So I hope you have understood the concept of trigger in action. Let's get started quickly. So you can use Mailchimp both the ways. You can add Mailchimp with Pabbly Connect in trigger as well as in action. So here I'm going to show you one by one both the steps. First of all, let's start with the trigger. Let's start with the trigger first. So if you're taking Mailchimp in trigger, then on the happening of any of the event which you have selected inside Mailchimp, the response will be automatically captured inside Pabbly Connect, and further you will be able to transfer that same response automatically to other applications with the help of the automation workflow. For that, you have to take Mailchimp in trigger and other applications which you want in your actions. Here, let's go with the same scenario. Let's suppose I want that whenever a new subscriber will be added in my Mailchimp account, so I want to add the details in Google Sheets. So let's get started. So for that, how we are going to set up the connection between Mailchimp and Pabbly Connect as trigger. Let's go towards our trigger step, and we have to select our trigger application as Mailchimp. You can see I've already done that. Now we'll go towards the trigger event. That is very important step. Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger, or it is going to start basically. You can see we have a list of events over here: new subscriber, new unsubscriber, new campaign, clean emails, email address change, profile updates, etc. So on the happening of whichever event you want to capture the response, you have to select that. Let's suppose that whenever a new subscriber will be added, the workflow should get triggered and the response should be captured. So here for that we have received a Webbook URL, and also we have received some instructions. What we are supposed to do, we have to follow the instructions given over here very carefully, and we have to use the Webbook URL, and we have to insert the URL inside our our Mailchimp account, because it is going to act as a bridge for transferring the data from Mailchimp towards Pabbly Connect. Okay, so it is saying you need to log in into Mailchimp and then navigate to the audience page. Select the drop down menu next to the audience you want to work with, and then choose settings. On the settings page, click on Webbooks, and you have to create a new webbook over there. You have to insert the callback URL as the webbook URL given. So first of all, I'm going to copy the webbook URL. I will take you towards my Mailchimp account, and I'm already logged into that. After coming on your Mailchimp account, you have to go towards the audience section from the left side. As you will select the audience section, over here you can see the option of manage audience. Here when we'll select the drop down, here we have the option of settings. We have to go on that, and when we'll scroll down, here we will see the option of Webbooks. So we have to select Webbook option, and here we have to click on create new webbook button. As we have done that, you can see that here we have certain details. So first of all, we have callback URL field. In this field, we need to paste the URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect, and then we have to move forward. So what type of update should we send? So what kind of updates you want to receive on this webbook URL? So what type of updates you want to capture in Pabbly Connect? In my case, I want to receive only the updates related to the subscribers. So all other details, so all other fields I'm going to simply unselect. Okay, then as we have done that, we'll move forward. Okay, it is asking us only send updates when a change is made by a subscriber by an account admin. So here I'm going to select by a subscriber, by an account admin, and by the API. As we have done that, now we have to simply click on save. As given that, the webbook is saved successfully. So now we'll go back towards Pabbly Connect. Here you already receive a response. Here this is a test response. This is saying that your connection between Mailchimp and Pabbly Connect is successful. So now to capture the real response, we have to click on recapture webbook response button. And it is saying that now you have to do a test submission so that the response could be captured inside Pabbly Connect. How we are going to do that? By performing the same event which we have selected over here. Because I have selected new subscriber as my trigger event. So when I'm going to create a new subscriber inside Mailchimp, then the response will be captured. So I'm receiving the new subscribers with the help of a lead form which I've already created and attached on my website. And I want that whenever a person is going to visit my website and they are going to submit this form, then I will receive the response inside Pabbly Connect. So what I will do, I will simply submit this form to create a subscriber in Mailchimp, and as we will do that, we will receive the response inside Pabbly Connect as well. So let's start with a name. Let's say the first name of this person who is submitting the form is Smart, and let's say the last name of this same person is Lead. Now I'm going to enter a random email address, smartlead38@pabblytudes.com. Then I'm going to enter a random phone number, and here I'm going to select the gender. As we have done that, let's click on subscribe, and the form is submitted. As we have submitted the form, we'll go back towards Pabbly Connect and we will wait for the response for a few seconds inside Pabbly Connect over here. And you can see the response is received. In this response, here we have the type, that is subscribe. Here we have the date and time at which the response is fired, that means at which the form is submitted. Here we have the data web ID. Here we have the phone number of the lead. We have the first name, the last name, the gender, and the email address as well. Along with this, here we have received some other details as well. This means that the connection between Mailchimp and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. And now whenever a new subscriber will be added in my Mailchimp account through the lead form submission, then I'm going to receive the response inside Pabbly Connect. In the similar manner, by following the same steps, you just have to select your trigger event according to your choice, and you have to perform the same steps which I have told you to set up the connection between Mailchimp and Pabbly Connect. Once the connection is successful and you have started receiving a response, then you can simply transfer the response to any other application automatically by adding that application in your action steps. For example, Google Sheets, in order to create a record of all your subscribers. Also, you can send a WhatsApp message to these subscribers by adding WhatsApp Cloud API, or you can send SMS by adding Twilio over here. Okay, I hope you have understood how you have to set up the connection between Mailchimp and Pabbly Connect as trigger. Now we'll move forward and I will show you that how you can set up the connection between Mailchimp and Pabbly Connect in action. So as I told you can use Mailchimp both the ways. So now we are going to learn how to use Mailchimp in action to transfer the data from any other application towards Mailchimp. Okay, let's get started quickly for that as well. So let's suppose in the next scenario, I'm having a real estate agency and I'm promoting my business with the help of Facebook lead ads. So on my Facebook page, I'm running an ad campaign, and I've also created a lead gen form which I have created with the help of Facebook lead ads. Let's suppose I want that as soon as a new lead will be generated by submitting that lead gen form for my real estate agency, the leads who will be interested in renting or purchasing the property, then I want to capture the response and I want to add these leads in my email marketing application, that is Mailchimp. Now to do that, I will have to set up the connection between Facebook lead ads and Mailchimp, where I'm going to take Facebook lead ads in my trigger and Mailchimp in action. So we'll get started quickly. For building the connection, I've already captured the response over here from Facebook lead ads. In this response, I've received the lead details. Here is the kind of property in which the lead is interested. Here we have the email address of the lead, newdemo@pabblytudes.com. Here we have the name of this lead, demo lead, and here we have the phone number. So now when we have received this response, I want to transfer the same details towards my Mailchimp account automatically, because I want to add this lead as a subscriber in my Mailchimp account. For that, I've already selected the action application as Mailchimp. So you have to select that. Then we have to go towards our action event. So what I want to create a new member over there. So I will select add new member with custom fields as my action event. We'll click on connect. To build this connection, you have to enter the token as well as the data center. So here from where we are going to get the token, for that you have to go towards your Mailchimp account. You have to click on the profile picture and then you have to go towards the extra section. Under extras, you will find your API key. And to get the data center, the instruction is given. You just have to log into your Mailchimp account once again. You just have to go towards your Mailchimp account and you have to look towards the URL of your account. Inside your URL, you will find the data center. So first of all, let's enter the data center. I will take you towards my Mailchimp account. Over here, we have the URL of our account. So when we look towards the URL closely, here we have the data center US6. We'll move back and quickly paste it over here. In the similar manner, you have to get your data center from the URL of your Mailchimp account. Then the next thing is we have to enter the token. So in order to get the token, I'm going to take you towards my Mailchimp account. Once again, we'll go back first of all. Over here, we have to go towards the profile section, okay, from the top right corner. Under profile section, here we have the option of profile. Let's select that. And it is taking us towards the Pabbly Connect page where we have the option of extra. So we have to select that. Then we have to select the API keys from here. And these are all the APIs which were already created for different purposes. We have to simply scroll down and we need to click on create a key button to create a new API key. And here, first of all, in order to create the key, we have to provide a name to our key. So I'm going to give a name, let's say new subscribers. We'll click on generate key. And here the key is created. So we'll simply copy it and we'll move back towards Pabbly Connect to paste it over there. Then we will click on save, and in this way you have to set up the connection between your Mailchimp account and Pabbly Connect as action. Okay, we have done that. Now we have to enter the details in these fields to create a subscriber over there. So first of all, you have to select the audience list. So you might have multiple lists inside your Mailchimp account for different purposes. In which particular list you want to create your subscribers, you have to select the list from the drop down. You can see I have only one list over here, so I'm going to select the same list over here. Then we have to enter the email address, the tags and other details in order to create the subscriber. So one by one we will enter the details. And as you know, we have already received the details in our earlier response, and we simply want to transfer that same response in towards Pabbly Connect to create the subscriber. So what we will do, instead of entering the details manually, we will simply map the data over here. So mapping is inserting data from previous step. Here you can see our previous step is given, and here we have all the details. We want to enter the email address. So here the email address of the person is given. Let's select that and it is mapped. When we have mapped this data, it has become dynamic. That means with each and every new response, it is going to replace automatically. So now, whenever a new response will be captured from my Facebook lead ads account, whenever a new lead will be generated, automatically the details which I'm going to map over here are going to replace with the new details of that new response. And in this way, we will be automating entire process of creating Mailchimp subscribers from Facebook lead ads or from any other application which you are using as trigger. Then we have the next option as tag. So you can provide tags to your customers as well. Whichever tag you want to give to your subscribers, you can add them. So here, because I'm receiving Facebook leads for my real estate agency, and I have two kind of properties over there, residential and commercial. So according to the response, I want to provide the tags, and I want to add the subscribers in my Mailchimp account with different tags. If the subscriber has selected residential property, then I want to provide that tag to that subscriber as residential, or otherwise I want to provide commercial. So I will simply map the type of property as my tag. In case if you want to provide more than one tag to a same person, then what you have to do, you have to follow the format given over here. You have to enter one tag, you have to use a comma, a space, and then you have to enter the second one. Alright, let's move forward then. Here we have to select the status of the subscriber. So I'm going to select subscribed over here. Then if you want to add these particular subscribers in different groups, you can add the groups as well. Now it is asking us the first name. So here I have not received any first name or last name separately in my response. I have received the full name of the lead. So in order to enter the first name and last name separately, I will have to split the name. So I will simply click on this add action step button and I will add text formatter, which will help me to split the name. Okay, text formatter is the feature of Pabbly which helps us to format the text in the workflow according to our choice. Here our action event will be split text, as we will simply split the name with the help of this. So here it is asking us which text you want to split. I want to split the name of the lead. I have selected that, and because I have mapped it, it is going to change every time with a new response. Then it is asking us the separator. What value you want to use as a separator of this name. So I want to use the space. If you want to use a space, then you have to simply copy the given format and paste it over here. Then with the help of the space, I'm going to split this name. It is asking us which segment of the name you want. I want all, first name and last name both. So I will simply click on save and send test request button, and here we have the name, first name and last name. We'll move back and paste the names quickly. First of all, I'm going to map the first name over here. Then I'm going to map the last name. Gender is optional, so we can ignore this field. Then we have the phone number, so I'm simply going to map the phone number which I have received in the response. And here, if you want to enter the other details, you can enter. Otherwise, you can ignore these fields as well. I will simply click on save and send test request button. And here you can see we have received the response. In this response, here we have the ID. This means this is the ID of the subscriber. So the subscriber is successfully created inside our Mailchimp account. So I will take you towards my Mailchimp account. We will go towards the audience section and we'll go towards the all contact section. You can see here we have the new subscriber with the email as newdemo@pabblytudes.com. The name is demo lead. Here we have the phone number, and also the tag is assigned to this particular subscriber as residential property. So in this way, you can automate creating the list of subscribers in your Mailchimp account by using Mailchimp in action step. And with the help of tags, you can give different tags, different segments to your subscribers as well. Okay, so here these were the steps which you have to follow in order to set up the connection between Mailchimp and Pabbly Connect as trigger as well as in action. You can use Mailchimp in both the ways. I've just taken the example of adding the subscribers, but you can use the same steps to set up the connection for any of the event which you want to perform. I hope this connection has made easy for you and it is clear to you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such applications without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to share it with your friends, and also please like our video and subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.